Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf, وَمَا كَانَ جَوَابَ قَوْمِهِ إِلَّا أَنْ قَالُوا أَخْرِجُوهُمْ مِنْ قَرْيَتِكُمْ إِنَّهُمْ أُنَاسٌ يَتَطَهَّرُونَ. Translation: And his people had no answer except that they said, "Drive them out of your city. They are indeed the people who want to keep themselves pure." In the previous ayahs, we studied that when Lut alayhi salam called their people towards the truth and called their people against the immorality and the dirty, unnatural, sinful acts that they were doing, that they were satisfying their sexual desires with homosexuality, and the men were going to men for that purpose, and no one had done this dirty act before them. They were indeed the transgressing nation that were crossing the limits. But when Lut alayhi salam called them towards the piety and towards the pureness, they had no answer, because their hearts knew that they were doing something unnatural, dirty and sinful. So they said that if you are pure, why do you have to stay in an area where dirty people are living? Let's get Lut and his family members out from the city, so that he is no longer able to give us the nasiha and advice, and no longer try to stop us from whatever we are doing. And this is important to understand, that when somebody is doing sins and their hearts are hardened, they do not like the sincere advices, and they don't like someone telling them against their sins. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful, righteous people, and save us from all the sins from the previous nations and the current nations. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.